how to get invisible username on Discord. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get invisible username on Discord. Alright, so let's begin. So here we are, as you can see currently on Discord. So if you look in the member list, you can see at the moment my username is currently visible. So if I come down and click onto my profile, you can see we've got our username showing up. Now let's go ahead and make this invisible. There's a number of special characters that you're going to want to enter, which I will leave in the video description down below. But basically what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click on this gear icon to go into your user settings. From here on the My Account section, you want to come across and click on to display name, and you want to click the edit button to the right of display name. And what you need to do is enter those characters from the video description into here. You can get rid of the asterisk things at the beginning and the end, and then come down and click the green Save Changes button at the bottom. So once you've done this, that will now make your Discord username invisible. If we come out of the settings, you can see our username is now invisible. We can't actually see anything. So if I actually click onto this, you can see that there's no username, of course, to show my status and my profile picture, but not my actual display name, my username. So you will also see if I type a message into the server, say something like hello, you can see that it does send through, but my username again is shown as invisible. So that's basically how you can get invisible username on Discord. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.